I'm gonna start today off. Today is Friday. We are about to make our coffee because coffee's life around here. So I think today's gonna kind of turn more into a cleaning vlog. I gotta do some laundry, I gotta do all that. So yeah. When I watch people like brew coffee in their vlogs, all I wish is that we had smell-o-vision at that particular moment, because I love the smell of fresh brewed coffee in the morning. So yeah, I will catch back up with you guys in a bit. Bye. Hello. Yes, you are in my garage, and yes, this is where the laundry is. So I figured we'd hang out a little, and I'll put you guys down a little. So I figured get some laundry done, clean up, hang out, yeah, no, because why not? And that's just Ricky's and my laundry. I wash, obviously my whites differently, my whites and towels differently, and I wash Colton's stuff differently as well. I don't know why there we go. Now we're in focus. And I have just a couple items because I went out and I wash my clothes every time we come back from somewhere if we went out in public. So I have a couple items that I just need to put away. And yeah, so that's laundry for right now. I'll see you guys in a bit. So I just finished doing my hair and makeup for the day. Haven't done that in a while, so it definitely made me feel good about myself and feel human a little bit, because lately it's like, what's the point, you know? So did that. I'm feeling good. I just changed into kind of like a workout outfit because we bought this backpack. It's like a hiking backpack, so little man can just sit right in there with his little like cover, and we can go on hikes or walks without having to worry about the stroller, which is really nice. And it's just like more of a spot just for him. So we're gonna go on some of the trails that are over here, which is gonna be really cool and fun. And when he wakes up and after we have like a little food snack thing. So we're doing that, and I am about to clean this off and clean this up, so I figured I'd let you guys all in on it. So we love sun tea here. So I just got this new pitcher at Target because the other one that I've been using is like way too big. So, and we were just wasting it. We would get like maybe like this much and there's still a huge amount. So I got the smaller one. So we're gonna go put it out in the sun. Sorry guys. I'll show you what's been going on out here. We have been changing it a little bit out here. I can't remember if I showed you all the pathway that Ricky finished to the pool. So he did the steps and the pathway out to the pool, and we planted all these like pretty little cute flowers, and like the yellow bushes right here and right here and a few more over that way. They will all get bigger, so they will kind of hide this underneath part of the deck. And then down here, we used to have railroad ties like this down here, but they were just infested with termites. So we've been getting rid of those, as you can see, and he's been putting in all these bricks, so that's been really nice. And if you're an OG subscriber, you would recognize this fence that Ricky did a while ago. I used to have a really neat drone footage intro, which I have been talking to Ricky about redoing a new intro for the vlogs and videos. I just wasn't, our intro was really, really cool. But I filmed that when Colt was 3 months old. And a lot has changed. Not only with Colt, he's now a year old. And when we filmed that, like, it just, our house has changed, like, with the backyard and stuff. And if you do go back to, like, some of my very first videos, you'll see the intro that we did, and it was really cool, and we had like a really cool concept. So we've been talking about redoing it and starting that back up, because I really did enjoy having an intro and not just a like, hey guys, all the time. I just think the intro made it really cool and kind of personable with all of us. So be on the lookout for that. We are gonna figure out how to do that next, or what we might incorporate into it. So yeah, Ricky is getting ready. I have to go get the baby, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, look who's up. Who's up and at 'em? Look how many teeth he has. I know, we haven't filmed with you in a while. So he has his 2 top teeth, his 2 bottom teeth. He has the 2 teeth that are coming in right now, are like right in between your canine and your 2 front teeth on the top. And his canine teeth, you can see that they're there and coming down, but not nearly as prevalent as the middle one between your canine and your top 2 teeth. You say hi? I love Bug. Alright, so we're gonna get our snack on, and then we're going on a little adventure with little man in the backpack, and we will take you guys along. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Alrighty, we are about to head out. Little man is back there in his little seat. He's got all his little feetsies in, and he's ready to go. And it just is gonna be a lot easier and nicer to walk about. Why is this not in focus today? I'm sorry, guys. So, we're gonna throw on the sunglasses and do this thing. Oh yeah, by the way, if I haven't mentioned, I am doing 2 miles a day, whether it's walk, run, or anything like that. We are gonna get our 2 miles in for today. Alright, I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. So where we're like kind of hiking slash walking through is a pretty special location for us. This particular place is where we announced that we were pregnant with Colton. I'll throw in some pictures right over here of our announcement. It was really fun. We love our photographer. And are you okay?
Yeah, I tripped.
Just making sure you're okay. And so yeah, we're gonna head into that area and get our 2 miles in and enjoy the day, and I'll catch back up with you guys in a bit. Bye. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, guys. We got back from our walk, and we had lunch, and we just hung out and put the baby down. And now I am working on a new puzzle. I've just finished one. I love puzzles. They're just a very nice way of, I guess, wasting time in a way. Keeps your mind active. It's not like scrolling through social media. I just throw on some music and or true crime and do a puzzle. So I finished like a beachy panoramic picture with VW buses. And now I'm about to start this Thomas Kincaid one. And yeah, do you guys, if you do puzzles, do you guys sort out all the edge pieces first and then start working on the puzzle afterwards? So that's how I start my puzzles. I sort out all the edge pieces and then everything else goes back in the box. And then once I get my edges ready, then I start like doing like, let me know if you guys do that. Anywho, that's what's going on so far. Once baby wakes up, we'll get dinner started and everything like that. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna end the vlog here because there's not gonna be much else for the rest of the day. So I hope you liked today's vlog. I hope you had a great day, or gonna have a great day whenever you're watching this. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and know when we are posting next. I would love to have you guys here as a part of our family, so please do that. It really does help, and I hope you guys have a great day. Mwah! Bye guys. Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Carissa Shaylin, and this is Colton, my 1-year-old, and I'm also a wife to a mechanical engineer. Hi, Bubba's. We just finished our first lunch, so we figured we'd head off to Starbucks as a treat, pick up Dad some coffee, Mom some coffee, and just go on a drive. Hi, Bubba. That was sweet. Just to get out of the house. We normally go on a walk right now, but Ricky really wanted to go on a walk with us, so we'll do that on after our second nap. I figured we'd also cut Ricky's hair today. You have stuff to say to people? Mwah. Mwah. There's not much going on, but I figured we'd take you guys to Starbucks and we'd go pick up some lunch, and yeah, I will take you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy.